Okay, nice one, guys. So basically, I just cut up a medium-sized red onion into some small slices. What I want to do, I'm going to make a cup of red onion tea, or they call them purple onion. You know what I mean? Very good for you to drink before you go to your bed. You can also eat it raw. Very good. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just chuck this straight inside of my cup right here. And trust me, this is so good for you guys. And I will encourage you to give this a try. So next, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pour some hot water inside of it. I'm going to be using this right here. And just cover it like this. And I'm going to just leave it for a few minutes. And then we're going to remove the lid. Okay? Okay, nice one. So basically, once you remove the lid, you can use some honey inside of it, but I only recommend you guys to use any honey. Just drink it natural like this before you go to your bed. Perfect red onion tea, guys, for you to drink. Lovely and nice, and trust me, guarantee 100% very